priest. There was something I told my classmates in the seminary. The first time I told them I was not born a Catholic, they were laughing at me. You know what I told them? You know, I was not baptized in time. At about 10 years old, I was baptized. Because I was attending Cherubim and Seraphim and Mararaba church. I was born into Alado. Even when we moved from the south to Meduguri, we were still going to the church. We removed our slippers outside and so on and so forth. Then somehow we became Catholic and God called me. So I thank all of you for your prayers. I ask you to continue to pray for your priest. After the first mass, some persons started calling me about God. It's before. So I ask God to bless you through Christ our Lord.
So once again, we say big congratulations to our dear parish priest and pray that God will want to increase you in the fire of the Lord through Christ our Lord. Please.
So I see you are the conductor of this choir. How do you put them together?
We put them together in order to serve the Lord.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So, what's your name first?
My name is Peter Johanna.
Peter Johanna. And how, you have a fantastic ensemble, a group of fantastic choir. How many times do you practice a week?
We practice 3 times in a week.
3 times in a week. Did you study music?
Yes.
Yeah, because while you're conducting, it was fantastic. Do you come here every Sunday?
Yes.
Are you paid or you do that willingly?
Yes.
Do you pay? Are you paid?
No.
You do that willingly? Okay, thank you very much, and keep the Christian and Catholic Church going on, okay? Thank you, Mr. Johanna. I'm Sabata from Sabata Reviews. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. That is the reception of the mass service. It was fantastic. The second stream is going in. This is a mass service observation from Sabata Reviews. I am Amalinze JJ Azi. Thank you for viewing.